Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Halal Crypto Investing with me, Mujibul, your host for today. And in today's video, we are looking at movement labs. In the last video, we came across that. And so in today's video, we will be looking at movement. So this is more of a research. Is this a 10x project? Is it a good project? Is it a bad project? That's what we will be looking at. If you would like to find out, then subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Now, this video is not financial advice. Most people lose their money in crypto, sadly. So go to a financial qualified person rather than just looking at me. Do not take financial advice from me because I cannot say those words even. So let's look at this. So in our last video, but in one of the videos, I was doing a bit clickbaity free halal crypto money. There's no such thing as free in life. There is some sort of cost to it. And through that, anyway, we saw that we have something called movement labs. So let's explore movement labs. So what is their value proposition? Let's see what they are. So Movement Lab is a network of modular move-based blockchains. So a network of modular, I'll kind of come to an analogy. Move-based blockchains. So let's go to the link tree here. Go to their website. They got Discord, community program, and so on. Let me just have a scan of their Twitter. Here. Cosmos, who are these colonies? Just some influencers, people who are following them. All right, Movement Labs was founded to democratize and centralize the growth and adoption of Move. So you've got democratizing and decentralizing. So power to the people. Let's go there. Our open framework makes Move and its ecosystem accessible to builders everywhere. We aim to give next generation virtual machine builders the ability to access existing assets, communities, and liquidity. So builders' ability to access existing assets, communities, and liquidity. So if you think about crypto assets as islands as opposed to anything else. So as islands, you've got different islands. Ethereum is an island, Solana is an island, Cosmos is an island, and so on. So you've got these existing assets, and within these islands, you've got communities and liquidity. In other words, money. So this wants to connect them in a sense. Any blockchain that integrates with our open framework will gain access to the diverse base of applications, community liquidity, assets that are unified on the Movement SDK. So SDK is Cosmos. So that's fine. Let's just go through quick. It's not an L1, it's an M1. It's a movement, not a layer. Okay, interesting. Like the lingo there. That's nice, memeable if you like. All right. Next to announce was another incredible partner of Shogunfi. We aim to bring positive change in the world of DeFi and cross-chain liquidity. So it only felt right. So you've got, who are they? Let's just open this link. Shogunfi, the chain agnostic and borderless liquidity protocol. So that's good. So again, think of this as different islands and you're kind of connecting them all together, bringing best-in-class trade, execution, and capital efficiency. So you are making trades with the best money of modular ecosystems coming soon in Q4. So that's a while away. So you've got efficiency to modular ecosystem. Modular is Cosmos. So the island of Cosmos. So think of Cosmos as young, buzzing people, whereas Ethereum, your Bitcoin are your older generation, Ethereum are, in the middle, and Solana would be your youngest, if you like, because it's cheap and things have to be fast. And Cosmos is like your your entrepreneurs, small, medium enterprise. So what they're doing is you don't need to have everything. You don't need to have speed. You don't need to have security. You have it when you need it. So you only buy when you need it, pay as you go. And so if you need security, then you pay for it. If you need speed, you pay for it, and so on. So that's how I think of Cosmos and this kind of network. So far, so good. Anyway, let's go into some of their, so this is their website, Move Anywhere with Movement. Movement is a network of modular move-based blockchains. Security, performance, user interaction. Movement is on a mission to create a global community of move builders working together to increase the security, performance, and user experience of building in decentralized networks. So security, performance, and user experience of building. So user experience is what I like to see, because you've got those other names everywhere: security, performance, and decentralized networks. The first blockchain movement, first modular move, less than 1 cent in gas fees. Now, if you saw my recent video, you saw gas fees were quite high. So this is trying to get it below $1. So that's below a pence rather. 160,000 theoretical transactions per second, sub-second finality. So that's very, very interesting. M1 is the fastest modular move blockchain on the market, leveraging Snowman. Okay, let's explore the testnet. Let's look at the testnet. Start building. Okay, so this is interesting. Let's go down further. Who are the funders and backers behind it? So you've got that. So let's look at the funders. So let's look at Movement.